Some lessons cost people decades to learn. I've made enough mistakes to know which ones matter most. And in the next few minutes, I'll share the life lessons that could save you years of wasted time, money, and stress. But before I give you that list, I want to tell you about a man who wanted to build the perfect house. He bought a plot of land and set up a small drafting desk right in the middle of it. Every day he drew blueprints. He wanted the perfect layout, the perfect materials, and the perfect timing. If the economy dipped, he paused. If a new architectural trend came out, he erased his work and started over. Decades passed. He spent all his energy analyzing, comparing his plans to his neighbors, and waiting for the flawless moment to pour the foundation. One day he looked up from his desk. He was an old man, shivering in the rain. He realized he had never actually built the house. He just spent his entire life sitting in the cold at an empty drafting table. That is what most people do with their lives. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, and the perfect amount of money. And before they know it, the clock has run out. The truth is, life has a funny way of teaching the same lessons over and over again until we finally pay attention. So today I'm sharing 40 years of life lessons. And who knows, one of these might save you years of frustration. Let's get into it. Lesson 1. Time is your most valuable asset. When you're young, you think you have forever. You tell yourself you'll start next month. You'll call your parents, maybe next week. You'll take that trip someday. You'll chase your dream when things settle down. But someday has a habit of never showing up. Money can come back. Lost opportunities sometime return. But time only moves in one direction. Spend it carefully. Lesson 2. Nobody thinks about you as much as you think they do. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves. That embarrassing thing you said, they forgot. That mistake you made, their focus is on their own mistakes. Stop letting the fear of judgment keep you from living your life. People's opinions have rented space in too many minds for too long. Evict them. Lesson 3. Your health is an investment, not an expense. Skipping workouts, eating poorly, ignoring stress, getting little sleep, these things don't seem expensive today. But eventually, the bill arrives. Take care of your body while it's asking nicely, instead of waiting until it's screaming for help. Lesson 4. Success doesn't automatically make you happy. Many people spend decades climbing a ladder, only to realize it was leaning against the wrong wall. Money matters, security matters, but so do purpose, freedom, relationships, and peace of mind. Build a life, not just a paycheck. Lesson 5. The people you spend time with shape your future. Energy is contagious. Ambition is contagious. Negativity is contagious too. Choose your circle wisely. You don't become successful overnight. You slowly become like the people around you. Lesson 6. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of success. Every person you admire has failed, probably more times than you know. The difference is they didn't let failure become their identity. They treated it like feedback. Learn, adjust, keep moving. Lesson 7. Perfection is procrastination, wearing a disguise. People wait for the perfect plan, the perfect time, the perfect opportunity, the perfect conditions. Meanwhile, someone less talented simply starts. Progress beats perfection every single time. Lesson 8. Comparison steals joy. There will always be someone richer, someone smarter, stronger, better looking, more successful, and there will always be someone wishing they had your life. Run your own race. The only person worth comparing yourself to is who you were yesterday. Lesson 9. Learn to say no. Every yes is a no to something else. Say yes to everything, and eventually you'll say no to your health, your family, your goals, your peace. Boundaries aren't selfish, they're necessary. Lesson 10. Kindness is never wasted. You never know what someone else is carrying. A smile, a compliment, a simple thank you, a few encouraging words. These small acts can change someone's entire day, sometimes even their life. Lesson 11. You don't need everyone's approval. Trying to make everyone happy is an impossible job description. Someone will misunderstand you. Someone won't like you. Someone will criticize you. That's okay. Be respectful. Be authentic. Keep going. Lesson 12. Read more books. Other people spent decades learning lessons. They wrote them down. And for the price of a meal, you can borrow their experience. That's one of the greatest deals in history. Lesson 13. Save money early. The amount matters less than the habit. Financial freedom doesn't usually come from one lucky break. It comes from consistency. Start small, choices repeated over time. Lesson 14. Forgive people, not because they deserve it, but because carrying anger is exhausting. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting, it means refusing to let bitterness control your future. Lesson 15. Call the people you love. One day you'll wish you had just one more conversation, one more laugh, one more story. Don't wait for special occasions. Create them. Lesson 16. Take more pictures, not of expensive things, of ordinary moments. The family dinner, the road trip, the backyard barbecue, the random Tuesday afternoon. Those become priceless memories. Lesson number 17. Learn to laugh at yourself. Life is too short to take yourself seriously all the time. Embarrassing moments make for the best stories later. Lesson 18. Keep learning. The moment you think you know everything is the moment you stop growing. Stay curious. Ask questions. Challenge your assumptions. Lesson 19. Your words matter. A careless comment can stay with someone for years. So can an encouraging one. Choose your words wisely. And lesson number 20, gratitude changes your perspective. You'll never have everything, but you'll always have something to appreciate. The habit of gratitude turns ordinary days into extraordinary ones. And here's the funny thing. After 40 years of lessons, mistakes, victories, and surprises, you realize life isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking better questions. Did I love well? Did I help people? Did I grow? Did I make memories? Did I become a little better than I was yesterday? Because at the end of the day, nobody remembers how many emails you answered. Nobody remembers the expensive watch or the car. They remember how you made them feel, the moments you shared, the kindness you showed, the courage you had to chase your dreams, and the impact you left behind. If even one of these lessons spoke to you, don't just hear it, live it. Pick one lesson today, just one. Call someone you love. Start that project. Take a walk. Save a little money. Forgive someone. Say no to something that steals your peace. Small actions create extraordinary lives. 40 years from now, you'll be grateful you started today. And before you go, click like and subscribe for more content like this. Life. Just live it.